Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you need your debit card number quickly and you don't have your physical card handy, the Chase app makes it super easy to find. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account with your username and password. If you don't have the app yet, just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see navigation tabs. Tap on the debit card icon, which is usually one of the main tabs displayed. This takes you directly to your card information page. Step 3. On your debit card screen, you'll see a visual representation of your card. Tap on the card itself or look for a button that says, View Card Details, or Card Information. This reveals your full card number. Step 4. Your complete debit card number will now be visible on the screen, along with your expiration date and security code. You can use this information for online purchases or any verification you need. Step 5. After you're done, make sure to exit the screen so your card details aren't accidentally left visible. The Chase app automatically hides sensitive information when you navigate away, which keeps your account secure and protected.